I am doing my PLP on time. So to start it off, do you think time exists? Is time real?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Yes. Yeah.
Yes, I do.
Well, of course it's real. Yeah, I think time's real.
Yes, I think that time is real. Yeah.
Like time exists?
Like time travel?
Like time, like now. Like now, past, future, like time.
Yeah. Because like without time, then I don't think it would be moving. We wouldn't be able to live without time.
So, did you know that scientists don't actually know what causes time?
Really?
Uh-huh.
No.
Yeah, there's kind of no explanation for it.
No, I didn't know.
Scientists don't know why now is now and tomorrow is tomorrow instead of now.
What?
There's something called the arrow of time that says time only flows in one direction like a river. Do you think time can flow backwards?
It depends, but yeah.
How?
Time travel. No, I'm just kidding. I think it can only travel forward.
Yeah, so maybe I really don't know. No.
Yeah. Wait. Yeah.
So time can go in reverse?
Yeah. Like in a time machine.
Like,
Only in one direction.
why do you think that?
Because if it went in another direction, then it'd be like time going backwards.
So there's a part of our brain that kind of perceives time for us. It creates kind of time for us in our heads. And when we fall asleep, that part of our brain turns off. So if everybody on Earth or in the universe, everything that is awake, fell asleep at the same time and stayed asleep for an hour, would time continue?
Yes.
That's a hard question. I think it would, because time kind of holds us up. Like, we wouldn't really know anything, not just that part of our brain. I don't think we would really know anything, like, because it's our, gosh, that's confusing. But yes, I think time would still continue.
What if time is all an illusion and humans are the only people, like humans or anything else intelligent living, are basically creating time for ourselves?
I don't really know. It's kind of a hard question.
Yeah.
If time stopped for everything, then they wouldn't wake up, because then they wouldn't have the time to wake up.
What if everybody died? Like there was no waking up. What if just everybody, everything conscious died? Do you think time would still exist?
Yes. I don't think so.
So time would stop?
I guess it would.
If there was no life, probably time didn't happen.
You mean just humans, or like
Everything.
Okay, then the world is over.
Okay. So do you think time would still exist if everybody fell asleep or died? So time wouldn't exist. You don't know?
Complicated.
Yeah. Do you think video is time travel?
Yes,
Okay. Why do you think video is time travel?
because you can video something and then you can see it a long time after, and it would still be there like it was brand new.
Okay. So as I'm filming you, this is time travel?
Yeah.
Oh, that's tough. That's super tough. No, not really.
Do you think sleeping is time travel? Like,
Yes.
there's a quote that says, "The cat that jumps is not the same as the cat that lands." So it's saying that there was a cat, and it jumped off the ground and it landed, but the cat that jumped, since the time has changed, there's something different about it, and it's not the same cat. Do you think we could ever get the old cat back?
No, because everything changes, and I don't really think there's a way to get the exact view in the past, because as you get older and as time progresses, you change every second.
There's something that is actually true. You know how when you take frames per second in a video, it's like pictures per second?
Yeah.
And if you take more, it goes in slow motion? So your brain has something that's like frames per second with your eye, and when you take more, it's almost like slow motion. And when you're afraid, your eye actually takes frames per second more than normal. So you're actually experiencing time slower than the person next to you when you're afraid.
Oh,
What do you think of that?
that's awesome.
So then, do you think time is kind of an individual thing, since one person might feel it faster than one other? Like, it's not really the same, is it, if one person's thinking of it slower? One more thing. If the past doesn't exist and the future hasn't happened yet, then now, if you think about it, as soon as I've said this sentence, it was already in the past, because that sentence is gone. Is there a now?
Now there's.
Is there such thing as now?
That's kind of confusing, but well, to think about it, it's a tricky question. But
Yeah.
maybe no, because like every second is a second goes by very fast, and
But if there's no such thing as now, then how is there such thing as time?
I'm not sure.
So, last of all, do you still think time is real?
Honestly, I don't think it's real, but clocks can tell the daytime, but I don't think time's real.
The last thing, do you still think time is real? Yes? Yes?
No, actually.
Yeah. It's just a little more complicated.
I definitely think it happens, because if there was no time, how would that faster and slower happen?
Well, time itself, no, but in the future, yes.
What do you mean?
So I would say, like, time still exists in the future, but as we speak now, time still goes on.
So it's kind of potential time, not really real time. Okay.
But still such thing as the past. You know, like, I guess time is like, because if you don't think time is real, then time to you is not real. And then if you do think time is real, then time to other people might be real. So I guess it's not real and real at the same time.
Okay.
Like, I don't know, because there isn't a now, so I guess it's kind of not real or real.
Not really.
No?
It could be like a mental illusion to keep track of stuff.
Does it happen? Then it would like, we wouldn't be the